Hey, I want to talk to you today about this handheld stabilizer for your camera. Now, this will work for a camera as well as a camcorder, compatible with a cell phone holder. You can also put a cell phone holder in up here, as well as your video light. Numerous things you can add to this to help keep it all stabilized when you are filming. It also fits right on a tripod. So I want to show you what my camera looks like when it's attached to this. So I have a Canon Rebel EOS T7. So it fits on here really nice, and I can also just with a slip of a wrist just move that back a little bit so I could get a better feel, especially if I had a longer lens on here and I wanted a little bit more stability. Then I can take this and you get another mount, and now you can mount this because you have another hole here. You can mount this onto a tripod so everything would stay really stabilized without having to take it off of here, as well as adding your maybe your microphone. It'll even hold a GoPro, and they do sell dual kits, so you could purchase two handles at the same time and do a little bit of a savings. This really helps me a lot because the last time I have used my camera and I tried to hold it, those are kind of coming out all shaky. So with this, it's a lot easier to hold, as well as you know, I can even hold it up here if I wanted to just give me a little bit more stabilizing, and so my videos are not shaky. And I think it's a great product. It's very economical for what I need it for. And that's just my honest opinion.